In today's video, we are going to see how to edit the notifications for the particular user. For that, you have to first log into your user panel. After that, you have to click on the user or group name here. Here the group name is Krupa. After that, edit notification option will be coming at the third step. You have to click on the edit notification option. All the notifications is visible here. You have to update as per your choice. Here already updated ACC status, that is ignition status on off, and you can select multiple options here, like whatever notifications you want, you can just check those, and at last you have to click on update. Likewise, the notification will be updated for the particular user. Thanks for watching.